This short is on an antique bookend for the village blacksmith. You got the blacksmith with his anvil and his tools showing old Dobbin there. A couple of kids getting too close to watch because, well, they enjoy being kicked. This is a very hefty one. Despite the gold color, I'm positive it's cast iron, just painted to make it look a little more impressive. That was fairly common. I've got others here, like this one, painted gold, and it's actually a piece of trolley track. I like my bookends. I have a lot of oddball ones.